a random number generator in Python. So first to import random, then do a equals int input the minimum of the random number here. Then do b equals input input the maximum of the random number here. Then do c equals random dot rand int a and b. So the reason why we imported random is to do random the radians. If we did not import random, this would be an error. So you have to import something before using it in Python, like a module. Then do print c and strc plus plus this is your random number. Now let's run the program. So let's input 13 and 52. 13. So basically always remember to put a space. See, now let's run the program again. For example, I was doing this, then I would just print out a random number between. This is how to make a random generator the best way. Bye and subscribe to our channel. Let's have fun on A Square.